Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. It is Friday, January 9th. Crazy to even say that. I still feel like we're back in 2025 here. But we're back, people. We're going to try making some money today. We had the NFP come out this morning, and we're going to see what we get. We're going to be patient. We're not going to rush today. And we're going to stay true to the strategies that we use. Do not break your own rules. There's no reason to. Good morning, Brett. Good morning, Ian. Hopefully you gentlemen are having a great morning so far, or evening, depending upon where you're tuning in from. Your boy's ready to make some smoney today. Let me pull the streams up real quick just to make sure we're sounding crispy. We gotta be crispy. Yeah, we're sounding crispy, boys. I'm here for the cookies, bro. That was my kids, bro. I don't have cookies for you today. I'm sorry. Maybe when I'm in Canada with you, I'll bring you a box of cookies. Francie, number one advice for beginners: keep it simple. Keep it simple. Do not overcomplicate what you're actually doing here. That's my number one advice. Keep it simple. Don't try learning 50,000 strategies. Oh man, last night, people, we had a milestone. We hit over 1,000 subs last night on the Traders Hangout. Straight craziness. I even jumped in the pool last night. Everyone was like, Duane, you gotta jump in the pool. We gotta celebrate. So you know what your boy did? I jumped in the pool at the end of the stream. At the end of the stream.
Man, they're really selling off the end of this London session.
That they are.
Well, look at that dump, boy.
Yeah.
Good morning, Adam.
Hey, good morning, man.
Once we get more people in on the YouTube streams, I'm going to tell everyone how they can enter a win for the giveaway. We're doing a giveaway tonight during the Traders Hangout. I'm giving away a Mac Daddy desk. That's not the name of the desk. I just call it the Mac Daddy desk because it's the same desk I got right here in my office. I'm giving one away for free. So. Oh yeah, we had 3 bear flags print. Looking on the 1 minute, there was 3 bear flags. Hopefully it flows like last Friday. If it flows like last Friday, your boy's gonna be happy. Your boy will be extremely happy because it was just so easy. It was easy and simple to just print money that day. Hopefully we can do it today as well. We'll see what we get. Sylvester, good morning. Thor, good morning, gentlemen. Hopefully you guys are having a good morning so far and evening.
Yo, good, all good, guys.
Morning, Charles. Good morning.
Morning. All right, we literally got 6 minutes for market open here. 6 minutes for market open. And I'm excited. I'm excited for us to potentially print some money today.
Hey, Duane,
Yes, sir.
I heard at 10 o'clock the Supreme Court talking about the Trump tariffs.
Yeah.
You heard
Yeah,
about
they're
that?
ruling on it. So we'll see. Listen, y'all. Last year when I said whenever anything about tariffs, you gotta be careful. Anything with tariffs, you gotta be careful because the market goes crazy for tariff news. So I highly recommend being careful. And I'll just leave it at that. Being careful. Because if they rule something good, it may pop it up. If they rule something bad, we may be waterfalling. It's not working. Thank you, Brett.
Hey, quick question.
Yeah.
What do you guys use for news? Because I use TradingView because it seems to, whenever you're trading, it has stuff on the charts, which is easy to reference, and then like the economic calendar. But I feel like there's always something I'm missing.
Honestly, the only news that I'm really looking at is from my trading journal because of the economic calendar as well. So that's the one that I mainly look at. And then I'll just like reference and search like in the mornings what news is coming out for the markets today on ChatGPT, and I'll let you know.
Okay, cool.
Because I feel you, because some days like we'll have like one thing on the economic calendar, and then at a later time, market goes crazy, and we're like, what just happened? And then we research, and something else just came out that wasn't on the economic calendar.
Yeah, or like, NVIDIA will come out with some news, and I won't hear about it. It's like someone always knows about it.
Yeah. No, I'm right there with you. Right there with you.
What do you use for a journal?
Huh?
What do you use for a journal?
So with Tradeify, they have a built-in journal. So that's the one that automatically journals for me. Brett, on the computer, Brett, I was able to click that link from the chat. So it may just be on the phones where it's not working, where you can click it. Well, if someone's on a computer, they could click the link and it'll work. So I'll have to figure out how we could make that cleaner for the mobile stream.
Sorry, my dog was barking.
No, you're good.
Yeah, that's cool though. I was gonna get my first funded account with my funded futures, but I think I'm gonna try out Tradeify now. It looks like a pretty good platform and it looks pretty transparent.
I like Tradeify because it's clean. Like everything, like with their dashboard, and just the rules and everything is extremely clean, so you're not guessing. Good morning, Mitch. How does it feel to be back in the cold, bro?
Oh, it's brutal. But good morning to everybody. And yeah, I'll be back in the cold state, up in the country, north side.
I'm not ready to be in the cold, but we're going to get through it. We got market open. Less than 4 seconds. Here we go. Market's open. Big Gear, what's up, bro? I feel like we were just talking not too long ago, fam.
Those glasses don't work on top of your head, you jive turkey.
I was actually messaging you right now.
Okay. Well, keep it coming, maybe. I'm here now.
Hatch to sleep. Do you Gear, I do not sleep. Yes, I sleep. I go to bed late and I wake up early. My body runs like a well-oiled machine with only like 5 to 6 hours of sleep. Oh, excuse me. I'm hoping we do not chop today.
Yeah, we need another day like last Friday.
Excuse me. If we could get another Friday like last Friday, we'll be set. We hit 1,000 subs last night, people. Straight craziness. Straight craziness.
Congratulations.
Appreciate it, dude. We're all being consistent. That's why it's working. It wouldn't let me join. Sure, BP. Sure, it's not letting you join. The water was cold, bro. The water was cold. When I jumped in, it was that shock on the body. Like right away, like, this is cold. So that's why I didn't start swimming right away, because my body was in shock for a moment.
Was it last night or in Mexico?
Yeah, I had jump in the pool for celebration of cracking 1,000 subs.
And now you got the sniffles?
No, I've been having the sniffles for like the past day before jumping in the pool.
Just checking.
Let me start doodling. Appreciate that, BP. You know, I try having a good cannonball for y'all. You know, I gotta show the kids how to do it. You feel me?
BP's like first hip hop name was Cannonball. He doesn't want anybody to know that.
Well, too late. Cat's out the bag. We're live on YouTube and with Legacy Wealth Society, so everyone knows now. Everyone knows. Big Gear, happy that you decided to come on back to hang out with us, make some money with us, hopefully this morning. Well, I'm glad you were able to see it, BP. All right, we just got another bear flag right there. Ooh, weeze. Ooh, weeze. Want to see that momentum. Good morning, Tune. What's up, bro? Welcome back. I'm saying a lot of names from last night up in here. Tonight, in order for you to be able to be entered into the giveaway for the Mac Daddy standing desk, you have to join the Legacy Wealth Society. It does not matter what plan. You can join the free plan, and that will get you in for the giveaway. Now I couldn't have said it better because there goes Nightbot in the chat. Join the free private trading community. Ten more minutes, Dwayne. You got this. 10 more freaking minutes. Try and make $1 or a few more. Yeah, bro, that's weird. I'm gonna have to see why that's not working on the vertical. Because it's the same link. That was look a fake out right there. But we were waiting for the momentum, so. Connor, I do not send signals, but I do call out different flags that I'm looking for that I want to take. But this is not a signal service on this channel. I apologize. I'm teaching people how to fish for themselves so they can always be fed. I'm not a big fan of signal services because I feel like it's a disservice to the person, because if you can't see it yourself, you're not going to be able to make money at this long term. Izzy, good morning, bro. Morning.
Hey, also, Dwayne, the latency of going to a signal service. If you said trade now, by the time it went over and as soon as you hit the button, they might miss it.
That's true. You will already be behind. That was a serious fake out because it looked like we were trying to try to create a bear flag, but the bulls just pumped that bad boy right back up. Look at that. Izzy, 100% right, bro. That's why we're going to be the largest trading channel and largest trader in the globe, because we're teaching people how to get real results. No gatekeeping. That's for gear. No fugaziness. Just honest, full transparency. That's why I'm going to be the largest trader globally, not because I make all this money and everything like that. Yeah, that's going to come. But I'm going to be the largest because I'm going to help so many people actually make money in the market.
Okay, but what about the flat earthers that deny that we're on a round thing?
Hey, everyone's welcome.
I know, but you said the biggest trading group on the globe. Maybe you should say like the biggest trading group on the platter.
Well, we'll say in the world. I'll say the world. So that covers it. It's no longer. I'll just say the world next. You know what I'm saying? The largest trader in the world instead of the globe. Okay. Tune, if I get it moved before 10 o'clock, I will take it, but I had to wait till after 9:45. I'm not cleared yet to trade. Technically, I can trade right now, but one of my rules is I have to wait the first 15 minutes of market open. Steve, are you a flat earth person or a round believer?
I'm a round believer because, you know, I didn't do that many drugs growing up.
Just had to ask. Some of your brothers wanted to know, so that's why I asked you. We may end up building a bull flag, but look at that wick though. I'm not a big fan of that big old wick.
Yeah, there was a lot of selling pressure up there real fast.
Yeah, the bear stepped in pretty hard there. And how strong that wick is, I would probably have to wait till we get above that wick to go for a long. BP, it's not 4-dimensional, it's a triangle. Okay? The Earth is a triangle, and I'm sticking to it. These wrinkle bars are set to wrinkle 8-4.
I thought they were set to sun.
All right, let's see. This is going to be a little reversal here. I got 4 more minutes till I'm officially cleared to trade. Your boy's excited. Excited. What's Brenda? She's chilling, Brett. Remember, I'm the earner. I'm the producer. She's the spender. She's chilling. She just got back from dropping the kids off to school.
Right now, she's spending time in the house, man.
Yep. That she is. I'm gonna let her know, Brett, that you asked what she was doing. I'm sure she'll have something for you, something to say for tonight's stream when we're giving away a nice little desk. So if you want to enter and win that contest, make sure you join the Legacy Wealth Society. You can join the free plan to get in the giveaway. Come on, Betsy. Yeah, lots of selling pressure up here. Lots of selling pressure. Like, we're making a bull flag, but it's ugly. I don't like those wicks. Note to self, people, do not go long or short into the wicks. Don't do it. So if you're trying to go long, but that candle has a massive wick before it, be careful. It's more risky if you do that. Not saying it won't work. It's just more risky. Same thing if you're trying to go short. Do not short into a long bottom wick.
Kicking against the pricks.
Two more minutes for your boy here. When the tariff news does come out, be prepared. The market will go crazy. If it's good, market's going to pump. If it's bad, market's going to dump. Anything with the word tariffs in it moves the market.
Was there anything other than the 8:30 that you know about?
We had the NFP this morning at 8:30. You have tons of selling pressure up here. Like, the Bulls want to push it through, but they can't. The Bears keep stepping extra hard right there. Oof. Yeah, we're going to have to hold and wait. Oulé. Good evening, sir.
That's a crazy looking candle on the 15.
On the 15? Let's take a look. Yeah. Yep. Just be careful right now, people. Don't do anything too crazy. Ashton, what's up, bro? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Everybody, good morning. Hopefully you're having a good morning or a good evening wherever you're tuning in from. We're just waiting. We're waiting right now. Waiting for the flag with momentum. That's it.
While we're waiting, do you want to give us the top and the bottom of the 15?
I could definitely do that, Steve.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Top of the 15-minute range. Top of the 15-minute range. 790.25 for the top. 790.25 for the top. And bottom of that range is 648.50. 648.50.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. What's up, Seth? Good morning or good evening, wherever you're tuning in from. Right now, just waiting because lots of consolidation right here. We're not trying to jump in during consolidation. We want clean, clear momentum. I am not rushing the process today. Three C's. Yes, I am. Plants. I'm watching currently the 2 minute, the 1 minute, and the 5 minute with my wrinkle bars. That's looking like a nice big old bull flag right there on the 1 minute. Clean, clear confirmation. I like that, Brett. I'm gonna have to put that in the vault. Make sure you get the 3 C's. Clean, clear confirmation. Look at that rejection once again. Neil, what's up, bro? Good morning. BP, you're in a predicament, bro. I'm not taking everything you say as a joke. Trust me on that. Neil, if you didn't watch the Cannonball last night, play the last 3 minutes of the stream from the Traders Hangout, and you'll see the cleanest Cannonball a man could do. All right, we're still just chopping. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range, so you already know what that means. I'm not taking a trade in the middle of the 15-minute range. But we're going to doodle.
Hey, so are we partnered with Lucid?
We are. I am not. Well, we are not affiliated with Lucid currently. Right now, their affiliate program's closed.
Okay.
But once they reopen, we'll be able to get a LWS code.
Cool.
There's the pivot point. Is the pivot going to hold us down here? We got 10 minutes. 10 minutes before the ruling comes out on tariff. I would like to get a trade in before that, personally. Caden, we're trading the Nasdaq, bro. Trading the Nasdaq futures. It has to be red folder news, BP. It's not, they really don't have news like requirements like FOMC, like they don't want you trading like when the FOMC news comes out, but the smaller stuff like the court ruling, all that stuff, that's not, wouldn't be considered like official news with Tradeify. Man, we feeling very bearish. Look at this wick on the 2-minute. We may. The market's primed. It wants to. It wants to come down. I would have to check on Lucid rules because I'm not too familiar with their news policies, but any like red folder news, FOMC, that type stuff, they don't want you trading your funded. In evals, you can trade through news all day long. In your fundeds, that's when they're like, better not do that. But that's pretty much every prop firm. Dylan, good morning, sir. So we just had that bear flag print on the 2-minute. But yeah, that's why it needs to be clean for me today. I want to go into the weekend green. Not trying to go in the weekend red. Yep, if we get good news, we're going up. If we get bad news, we're going down, boys. That's what's going to happen here on the tariff stuff. And tariffs always move the market.
You got that tariff news. Like all this other crap is all the it's being gummed up by all the other bullshit in the news cycle.
Yeah, we got news next week as well. So we got a couple things coming out next week. Oh man, oh man. I just want to see a clean flag. That's all your boy's looking for. A clean flag here. Nothing more, nothing less right now. Malachi, what's up, bro? Well, get some rest, sir. Get some rest. But I'm glad my Australian brother jumped in the chat real quick to say goodnight to us. So we got less than 5 minutes now. Less than 5 minutes for this news on tariffs. Hopefully we get good price movement. We should. We are currently above the VWAP, below the 21 EMA for a moment. Just tap the 21 EMA, which is above us. Just waiting to see what we get here. I want to clear these bottom wicks before taking a short, to be honest. I want to clear these wicks if I want to take a short. So if we don't clear those wicks, won't be taking a short. Buyers stepping in. We are below the pivot point now as well. Well, now above it. We got the close from yesterday up here as well. 712. 712 for the close from yesterday. And we're sitting right in the middle of this 15-minute range. So I'm going to be a good trader today. And I'm not going to take any trades in the middle of the 15-minute range. We need to push away from the middle for me to want to actually execute. I'm glad I saw that because your boy's feeling itchy. Let me just click this real quick. All right. Feeling a little bit better now. Feeling a little bit better. I did some clicks.
You bought that gold jacket online. Yeah, I see you using it in your, in your thumbnails. So you ought to do it. Have it like in a place of honor in your house.
I may have to get it. I'll have to hang it up in the background. You know what I'm saying?
That's it, man.
When new people come in, they're like, "Why is this guy got a random gold jacket hanging in the back?" I would have to frame it though. I gotta make it look nice. 2 minutes, boy. Less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes for the tariff stuff to come out. Hopefully, we can make some smoneyes on it. Yeah, futures, Nasdaq, Ty. Welcome to the stream, sir. BP, we've done it before. We have watched the news before. I forget which news we watched. I think it was like a press conference with Trump that I streamed it. All right, less than a minute for this to come out. I ain't making no predictions. Nope. Well, nothing's come out yet, so we may be in a chop fest until it comes out. I'm seeing strawberries. Come on, Betsy. Show us something. Like, I am not trying to trade the. Well, I'm not going to trade the middle of the 15-minute range. I got chopped up yesterday trying to do so, and I need to have a clean move today, because if I don't get a clean move, I may not execute a trade. Below the pivot. I just need to be patient. Like, I feel myself wanting to take a trade, but I gotta remind myself, if there's no trade and no clean momentum, there's no trade. Like, no flag, no momentum, no trade. I see it right now. We're just straight chopping. We're going sideways right here. We're not going up. We're not going down. We're going sideways. And sideways action is the action that most traders get chopped up in. All right, no news on the tariffs yet. They have not made their decision yet. Yeah, this thing's straight chopping. Yeah, this is a hands-off, boys. Unless you're a super scalper, this is just straight chop. Yeah, 100%, bro. Yeah, I ain't trying to get chopped 2 days in a row, I'll tell you that. And just so y'all know, yesterday, after having a piss poor performance in the markets on one of my fundeds, made money the other funded, I was finally able to book my Mexico trip for next month. So that's a complete go. So your boy's excited. Gonna be in Mexico at an all-inclusive resort, just eating food and vibing. Don't worry, boys. I'm flying in on a Sunday, so that way I'm here. I'll be ready for our Monday stream. That's the things I do for y'all. Okay? That's what I do for y'all. We're going to be streaming from Mexico. Yes, I'm taking a 5G hotspot with me, so that way the stream will be effortless and clean. Man, I still gotta say, what trader do you know on YouTube and just globally that travels the world streaming it and trades with y'all? Just say it. If you find them, let me know. I may be one of the only ones doing it. For me, if for a short, we had to get below my yellow line I'm gonna just make this flat. Because all this is all chop zone area. I'm the only one, Brett. Well, I'll take it. Gotta be different from all these other cats that stream trading. Nope, not yet, Neil. Not yet. It should be coming out within like the next like hour or less. So since it has not come out yet, a lot of people were waiting on it. We're probably just gonna be chopping until it comes out. Oh, coming down to my yellow line. All right, we're through the yellow line, so we cleared out some chop area. I'm feeling you, BP, on that. Oh, they're not making the ruling today? They said like what should be come out within like the next hour. I'm watching, Brett. I'm watching, bro. Bro, that night on the whole gold play, I was cracking up. I'm like, bro, no. But I want to take a quick scalp here, but wanted a flag. I wanted a flag there. So we just broke out of the 15-minute range to the downside there. First target for me would be 57750. 57750. Good morning, S-Dub. Good morning, sir. We're waiting. We're waiting. There's supposed to be news coming out about tariffs with the Supreme Court. They have not ruled yet on it. So it has me slightly hesitant because you don't want to be in a trade right when the news comes out, whenever they release it. No more news. Well. Oh. It's on the back. I didn't even turn and look. Supreme Court will not issue decision on tariffs today. So, alrighty, I'll mute that then. Let's trade a little bit more freely then.
Let's hit it.
We're going to pull back to this 15-minute range, most likely, because only 5% of the time do we just fully break out and never come back. All right, let's see what we get here. Let's see if we build a nice little bear flag. I'll be for that. I'm for any flag, really.
Duane like to see a flag.
S up, congrats, bro. Excited for you. Let's see. Let's see. I'm sorry to hear that, BP. Feel better, sir. Feel better. You have a short order 701. Yeah, a lot of people have been getting sick, like the flu, like a lot of like coughing and all that stuff.
I'm just relieved that I don't work for like anywhere with a medical thing anymore. They'd be trying to jab vaccines in us.
Yep. That was a crazy time. That was a crazy time.
Listen, Mr. Sniffles, you need to stay strong.
I'm not
for your trip to
sniffling.
Canada.
I was wiping my nose, bro. I was wiping my nose, sucker.
My wife wears a bra, sucker.
Mr. Sniffles. Yeah, y'all made me jump in a pool last night. No, I already had the little sniffles before jumping in the pool. No, oh, babe, relax. Get off my screen.
Okay,
Brendan's downstairs, a crybaby.
Here's the deal. Duane says if he gets up to 1,100 subscribers a day, he'll get the sniffles. I think you should, if you get up to 1,100, you should go get that gold jacket.
Hey,
wow.
The channel's been growing like crazy. I will say that.
You're changing the subject.
I am changing the subject.
I mean, how many years have I known you, man? You know, it's like I feel that my words have weight in this. My counsel.
I just never could see myself wearing that jacket. Like I'm a practical person. If I buy something, I have to actually see myself using it.
Yeah, but it's all over the internet, a picture of you wearing it. People have it framed on their trading computer's desk.
I hope not. Bruh, I am watching these wicks. We're right above the middle of the 15-minute range, so that's why I'm so flat. Like, today may be a no-trade day for me if we don't get solid momentum and away from the chop. Because I refuse to get chopped up today. Definitely not S-Dub. Definitely not come out with a Duane monthly calendar. That's crazy. Absolutely not. The devil's a liar. The devil's a liar. John Wicks today. Yep, too many Wicks, bro. Too many Wicks. I learned my lesson yesterday just to not trade the chop. That's it. Do not trade the chop. You know, I had a $2,500 lesson not to trade the chop. Lesson learned, message received, put it that way. All right, let's see if we clear. We can clear. I'll probably say 763 area, 763. Go ahead, Dylan, make that money, bro. All right, just cleared that. clear that 763. I want to just clear all these wicks to give me some comfort here. Yavin, I have multiple streams of income. I own multiple businesses. I trade full time as well. This year from trading, I'm trying to get 500K in payouts from prop firms. I make a good living from the trading profits. Yes, I am. I wouldn't be streaming each and every day if I wasn't making money. Why Renko? It's more than just some Renkos, bro. I'm looking for chart patterns with Renko bars for the confirmations. Bull flags, bear flags, and momentum. That's it. The Renkos help you decipher the momentum of the candles. Four contracts here short. All right, from your lips to God's ears, brother. Stay safe in the market. Okay. I recommend Tradeify, Lucid Trading, and Take Profit Trader. I say Take Profit Trader last because it's an 80-20 split, where Lucid and Tradeify is 90-10. That 10% adds up very quickly when you're taking consistent payouts. So on this 2 minute, we got a bull flag printing, but we need more momentum. I want to see some clean, clear momentum to the upside here for this flag confirmation. I'll actually push up just a little bit more so I don't just jump in. Yeah, I'm not liking these wicks. That's my issue. We keep getting these wicks, and I don't want to go long into a selling pressure wick. That's bad for business. Bad for business. And let me get us some more music going here. Let's clear this previous wick. This new candle literally just started at the top of that wick right there. Are we going to build another little bull flag right there? Let me drop down to the 1 minute here. See what we're looking like. I want some follow through here. Your boy needs some follow through. A born strategy is very simple. I'm looking for a bull flag, bear flag, and momentum. And that's the strategy, bro. I can't make it more complicated than that. Bull flags, bear flags, paired with momentum. So whenever I put a line like this would be a flag. I want to see structure right here for the flag portion. But right now we do have a lot of buying pressure that's trying to take us higher. But we did not build structure for the flag right there. I recommend Tradeify, Lucid Trading, and Take Profit Trader. Those are the 3 firms that I recommend. You trading ABCD? Don't know what that is, bro. Just broke out of the 15-minute range to the high side there. Slightly disappointed I didn't take it. Let's see if we build out another flag up here. Preferably above the 15-minute range to take us higher. Because we do have the overnight high up there, 824. Well, that's a high, 824.75. And then we got a pivot point above that as well before our first target. It's not an indicator, bro. I'm just manually drawing the line.
Okay, so on Lucid, there's no monthly fee, right? So it's just like, you know, it's just you pay and then you're in?
Yep, no monthly fee with Lucid.
And I do see that there's like different levels. There's like a pro, a flex. Obviously, direct is funded, so we're not interested in that. But
I would do the flex with Lucid.
Flex.
Yeah, the flex.
But why every time you do a fitness post, I figure you're doing the flex.
Let's see. Are we getting ready to do another bull flag? Consolidating right here. Want to push through the line with some momentum here so I can take long. But we need some good momentum. There's the line push through right there. Want to see follow through. Come on, Betsy. Oh, I got filled late. That's trash. I'll get ready to close this. I got filled late on that.
Yeah, as you mentioned it, I had the blue line on mine too, and it felt late, so I closed it.
Well, it happened so quick, it put me in. Let's go, Betsy. Just lock that in. Quick 5-10 right there on that trade. It may keep pushing up, but just locking profits. That's it. That's it. On this account, I'm going to rotate from this account to the next account. I'm thankful. Listen, boys, I'm thankful that did not go bad for me because I did not get the original fill I wanted. Like, it was a bang play, like the NFL, where I did not get the fill when I clicked. That's not where I got filled at. So that was the nerve-wracking part for me, because when that happens, it always ends up normally coming back on you, sadly. Rotating. All right, just switched over to the next account, funded account here. We're going to put some money in this one, hopefully. Born, no. So this is not the flagpole, right? Let me get some more lines on the chart for you, and I'm gonna do a quick explanation for you guys because I'm a nice guy. You know what I'm saying? So, well, so for the flag, for a bull flag, we need to have a strong pole going up, a strong green pole going up, a slight pullback before the momentum takes us higher. So I'm always looking. So the top line, if I put it on top of a candle, that means I'm looking for upward direction. If I put on the low side of the candle, that means I'm looking for going down direction for the momentum. So I make sure that we have the momentum. Hold on, this is my shirt, guy. Yes, sir. Good morning. I'm good, man. How about yourself? Okay. I will send you the PDFs as soon as I get off my stream here. And I'm gonna want to get, I'll let you know which ones I want to get printed first. And I'll probably get like 3 of each. I want them on like the dry fit we do for OPG. On the back, I want pretty large for the logo. This isn't for OPG. This is for one of my other communities here. But I'll be able to give you a call back in like 30 minutes or so once I get off this live stream that I'm on. I'll text it to you. I'll send you all the information. Okay. Okay, awesome. Yep. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate you putting me first. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'll get with you probably in like an hour or less. All right, thank you. Bye. Sorry about that, boys. That was my shirt guy, my local shirt guy here. He's making some legacy shirts. Legacy. Can't talk. Hold on. You did not come and say you're.
I was waiting for you to get off the phone, but you're.
We got another bull flag that just printed on the 1 minute. We're above this pivot point. We hit my first target on the chart as well. The first target above the pivot was up at 861. So let me see where the second target is. Second target from here, 931 area, 931. So this bull flag's paying. Now I wait for the next one, because guess what? The market always repeats itself. The flags always repeat, boys. If you miss the first one, that's okay. If you miss the second one, that's okay. Wait for the next flag. The flags are the hack, people. Because let's see here, just on this 1 minute chart, right? Well, we had one flag, two flags, three flags, four flags, right? So that's giving a clear indication the market's trying to push up. When you get that many bull flags. Same with bear flags. When you're getting multiple flags printed, don't fret. It's okay. Just wait. So BP, my cannonball last night was pretty decent. It was pretty decent.
Yeah, pretty decent.
All right, we'll take it. I'm trying to compete in the Olympics this coming year for biggest cannonball splash.
Cannonball. I'm talking to Cannonball.
Brett, someone could do it, but for me personally, I only have an attention span for trading for like 2.5 hours. After that, it's 50-50. You know what I'm saying? Like, because I'm hyper focused, looking for flags, looking for momentum. That drains energy. I could not sit on the charts all day just catching flags. Could I? Yes. Would I enjoy it? Absolutely not. I really want to see a flag like on the 5 minute. Starting to build out this flag. I want to keep this flag, the fabric portion of the flag, above the pivot point. That would give me like the warm and fuzzies. We got these bottom wicks as well. And there that goes. But chopped right back down right there. So be careful. Be careful. On that account that I traded today, I literally need less than $400 for me to request a 2K payout on that account. So I'll probably do that on Monday. I gotta see how many trading days I need on that, because I think one day this week I did not trade it. Let me actually just check. Oh yeah, so I need 1 day, so I could literally do it on Monday and request a 2K payout on Monday. That ain't bad. And then I'm working on other payouts on these bigger accounts, hopefully for a Friday. Big Gear, are you still in here, sir? If you are, do you feel like your boy's gatekeeping? Because I know that was something that was brought up last night. You know what I'm saying? Don't gatekeep. I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom here, people. I'm trying to show you the simple way to make money in the markets.
We're gonna keep pushing, or do you think we're gonna start calming down?
Honestly, I feel like if we build out a solid flag right above this pivot, we'll continue up. If we drop below the pivot point, then that's when all bets are off. And that pivot point that I'm referring to, people, is currently sitting at 851.50. because we got these bottom wicks on these candles still. So we still have buying pressure. I would just want to see us build out a flag up here before we go higher. But I don't want a deep pullback either. I want that pivot to act as support, to hold us up, to take us higher.
The only thing I don't like is just that we just took like some previous sessions out. And I feel like that is a pretty good draw on liquidity, but I have no idea. We'll just have to see what happens. I like your idea though, because it's bullish right now. So until proven otherwise, I'd be looking for bull flags too.
You know, BP said he would be looking for the same thing. First time ever he's ever said that. I feel special right now. I feel special. And for the people on the YouTube stream, just know BP and everyone in the Legacy Wealth Society, they're trained snipers, people. They simply execute. They execute and make money in the markets. Bro, what's the secret sauce again? What do you mean, what's the secret sauce? I've been bull flags, bear flags with momentum. That momentum, that momentum is the sauce for flags. Trading flags here. So we just lost that pivot point. So what does that mean, right? I wanted to keep it above that pivot point for a bull flag here. That was me personally. Because now, could it still be a flag? Yes. Looking at the 5 minute, could this be one big old bull flag starting in print? Possibly. So we just wait. If we don't get the move right away, we wait. But right there, that's the part that I do not like. Hold on. Let me get another line on the chart. That right there. That's a decent little pull down below that pivot. And we create a bear flag right there. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. BP, we may come down. But definitely want to get away from this pivot. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Let me pull this line down a little bit further so that way I don't jump in just because we break it slightly. Because pivot points act as magnets. That's why you want to get away from them before executing a trade. I'm just giving all the sauce today. I'm just giving the secret sauce. I'm giving that Big Mac sauce today. You know what I'm saying? Like, Jesus. It always tastes good. Talking about the Big Mac sauce, you know what I'm saying? You know, I think I'm feeling a hat right now. Feeling a hat, boys. I'm gonna get a custom hat made that said like profit specialist, something like that.
Then spell it like a Christian prophet. There you go.
I'm trying not to get faked out right here, but I feel like this wants to drop a little bit. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Talking dirty to me, boys. The market's talking dirty.
Man. Yeah, that was a really good liquidity grab. It's pushing a bit.
Closed out. Just closed out. We're going to keep going lower. But I'm just locking in profits, boys. That's all I'm freaking doing. Just locking in profits. I should have stayed. I should have held, but listen. I had that trade out yesterday. You know what I'm saying?
Right. BP's talking liquidity, baby.
Let's go.
But there we go. I may try re-entering on the next little flaggy flag. But I should have closed when I had the grand. I'm Duane, why didn't you not close? Why did you not close on the G? You wanted more. Stop being greedy, bro.
I finally touched my Lucid account because I haven't touched it. I've just been freaking letting it sit doing nothing. So
But wait,
that one was a good one. I literally just put $100 to risk on it since it's just a 50K and I only go up to 200. If I would have put 200 to risk, then I would have been able to take 600 on this trade. But I made 320, so
Yo, profit's profit, baby. Profit is profit. And since you touched your Lucid, now I'm touching my Lucid. No Diddy.
Oh man, I should have held though, because
I should have held. But profit's profit. Like the trade battle, we're battling, Brett. We're battling, bro.
I went for a 30-second confirmation for a PRR setup, which is just basically like the inversal of the first fair value gap. And so my entry price was like 844. I mean, my bad.
Okay.
I got a little bit of drawdown, but I'm glad it started pouring like that.
Yeah, I had like $100 in drawdown or 130, and then we were in profit. And what I was trying to utilize right there, I was trying to use the Big Mac sauce 365 for that drop there. So we had the 7-tap show as well. So when I saw the 7-tap into the Big Mac, I knew it was game on, got to get in.
Yeah.
People are like, what's that guy even Big Mac? What strategy is this? I've never heard of the Big Mac strategy.
This was the strawberry Big Mac move.
So since we had this small bear flag right there, Print, guess what, people? I'm simply looking for another bear flag to be able to get back in the markets.
The 2-minute just formed a nice BPR. The start of it would be at 8:15, and then the end of it would be at 8:38.
So hit $1,000 for the day. My fund, two of my funded. So happy about that. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. I'm sticking to it. I am sticking to it. I feel like we're going to tap this high of the 15 and possibly we may come back up, or maybe not. The way we just push right through with momentum like that.
If people are trying to short this 1 hour and like actually turn it bearish, they'd have to bring it all the way down to 735. Just because, like, if you look at the 1 hour candle, that's where we opened. So in order for it to be a red 1 hour candle, we have to get past that point.
Big Gear, this is definitely live, sir. We're making profits live, bro. No gatekeeping. We're using the Big Mac sauce with 7-tap models, and we're printing, bro.
Exactly.
Speaking of
a 7-tap model, speaking of a 7-tap model, it would actually be like a good liquidity high, like basically where like that 1 hour open was, like 734.
Okay.
If we could get down to there, that would be pretty nice.
Well, I want to see a little push up, something to give me a good entry to get in here for another shorting opportunity here, based on flags and experience with momentum. But I feel like we're going to come down and touch that VWAP, bro. But I need some type of a slight push up. I need a flag. I need a flaggy flag. Like right here would be a nice little spot for a flag.
It's trying to form another BPR. 2 minute needs to flush 774 though in order for it to get it.
Big Gear, if you haven't made money in 3 months, bro, listen, I'm gonna help you. Join the Legacy Wealth Society completely for free. Trade with us, grow with us, and you will start to earn. We got people that are brand new to trading to people that have been trading for over 10 years. You know, like we have a wide range of people in the community, and we're all working together to print money as a community. Fellas, how much do you think we all earn as a collective?
Over 100,000.
Over 100 grand a month?
Yeah, for sure.
Like, as a community, over 100. Well, it's actually more than that because we have someone in the community that does almost 100 grand a month.
Oh well, then just him. He's 50% of the gains. So let's go.
So
ahead and
200
say,
grand a month as a community currently, and we're still pushing.
As we grow, once we get them 10,000 members, everyone's making 1,000, we make $1 million.
Bro, I'm gonna get spammed by marketing campaigns if I join the free section. No, listen, there are no campaigns for the community. Like, you're not getting spammed by you joining the free side of the community. You're in the community, and you won't get messages. Upgrade today. None of that. I don't care if you upgrade or not. But I was told by the community, I gotta charge for my strategy. I gotta charge for everything that we're providing to people. So on the free side, you get the community discussion in the main page for the community, for the motivation, everything like that. What you don't get, you do not get the legacy fitness. You do not get the vault. You don't get the Zoom calls or anything like that. So just get around us, grow with us, and then you'll decide if you want to upgrade or not down the road. But there's no pressure to upgrade. There's honestly not. The upgrades are just if you want to truly maximize your profits and really grow this quickly without going through the process of losing before you start winning. Crip, there's the free side. Join the free side. And just so you guys know, BP didn't tell you, I'll tell y'all. To enter to win, to enter the giveaway for tonight's Traders Hangout, I'm giving away the same desk that I have right here. I'm giving a brand new one away to one of you lucky guys. But the only way to get entered, you have to join the Legacy Wealth Society on the free side to get entered into the contest, because this is going to be going to a Legacy Wealth Society member. So become a Legacy Wealth Society member in order to be put in the drawing for a freestanding desk and some Mac Daddy desks too. Like, we could go higher right now. Let's go higher, boys. We're going higher, people. I'll see you guys later. You guys going so high. And we just had another bear flag print. So man, come back down quick. I need my mouse. I need the mouse, boys. I need the mouse. We broke through the line. Let's see if we get some follow through here. This is a Lucid eval. This is not a funded account. I traded 2 fundeds this morning. I'm done trading fundeds today. Going the weekend green. So that's all that I care about. But now we're going to try putting a couple grand in this account to help get this account passed with Lucid. Doing some slight consolidation right here on the Rincos. So that's not the point you want to enter at. Just saying. Mr. Singh, what's up, bro? Welcome. Okay, yeah, so we're building out another small bear flag here on the 1 minute. I do not want to engulf this previous candle. Someone's trying to join the community right now. BP, I'm already doing that, sir. Because everyone that's currently in the community, that's part of the founders, those are the market makers. They all get extra entries, sir. You don't got a DM. You can talk to me, bro. You can stay over the stream. It's okay. You don't have to work in the shadows, bro. Like, come on.
All great things sometimes happen in the shadows.
Dude, this is not an MLM, bro. This is not an MLM. This is not IM Academy whatsoever. This is my personal private trading community. This isn't something that we're trying to have you go out and get 25 members to come join us. That's not what this is. The community already has over 100 something members. Why? Because we're giving people value. Big G, I would recommend, if you're getting your Tradeify account, do not trade it today. Wait till Monday. And over this weekend, you just lock in on your strategy.
Okay.
No, I'm not talking
yeah,
you, G. A
Tradeify
different
one, right?
G. Different G.
Huh?
No, I was talking to a different G in the chat.
Oh, my bad.
This.
Yeah,
I
this
want
is.
EF to make another high real quick. Otherwise, it's, I think, forming a bearish SMT, and it might just drop now without forming much more. But if it catches up, we should be fine.
We'll see, because right here we may be trying to build a little bear flag on the 5. So I'll be looking eyes on the 5 for right now, just to see what we get. Big G, just keep it simple. To be honest with you, if you're doing like the 50K account, you can't lose more than $2,000. So keep that in mind. Just hone your strategy, whatever your strategy is, bro. Just lock into it if it produces for you. If it's not producing, just jump on these live streams in the morning sessions, in the evening sessions, just so you can learn the strategy without going to the builder package in the community, and just learn that way. I got options for everybody at the end of the day. That's because I have a heart for y'all. I truly want to see people win. Because I felt bad only having a paid tier for the Legacy Wealth Society. Just saying, I felt bad because people be like, oh, like I need to wait till my next check, everything like that. I was like, bump that. Here's a free site for you to get in and start learning and growing, because that's what we had to do as traders. We always had to learn and grow if we want to be successful at this. We got some selling pressure. I've been looking on the 5. Tradeify tips. Get the select account. Keep a small stop loss starting off if you don't have a consistent strategy for yourself yet. And only trade bull flags, bear flags, and momentum. If you only do that, trade bull flags, bear flags only with momentum, you'll be able to make money in the market. That's the trick. That's the tip. Yo, I'm so mad right now just thinking about it. If I would have closed... No, that was the second trade. Never mind. Never mind, people. Never mind. Back to regular programming. Yeah, we got a lot of selling pressure here. On the 1 minute, we had a small little bear flag right there. But I want the momentum to be better. That 5 minutes looking promising. I moved my 5 minute line down slightly just so that way I won't just jump in too early right there. Scott, I'm adding you right now. Welcome. Welcome to the Legacy family. Scott, you've just been officially added. Welcome, sir.
I always find myself dancing in my chair, bruh.
What, to the music I got, or just in general?
No, yeah, for real. I was just like headbanging right now. And
Bro, I do it all the time. Like, I notice, like, I gotta switch some tracks up because when I start banging, I'm not hyper focused on the charts anymore. I'm like just grooving.
yeah, I feel that.
It's like, are we trading or are we just like a vibe? You know what I'm saying? Like, buyers trying to step in right there. We're still building that structure of a potential bear flag on the 5 minute. And I put some chapstick on. My lips are dry. Jesus. From jumping the pool last night because people want me to jump in, which was craziness.
That still count.
Huh?
I'm just talking to myself, my bad.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
I was just my question to myself, because I guess I was asking myself so that way maybe I'd remember or something. But anyway, it was if let's say ES makes equal highs and then NQ made a higher high, does that still count as an SOT or would that just be nothing? That's what I was trying to remember.
No. Can't even help you with that one, bro. You're way too analytical for me some days. Like you be saying something, no clue what you're talking about. No freaking clue. I'm I told myself I'm gonna start researching. I'm gonna start researching some of the things you're saying, so I can at least have a more educated conversation with you.
I appreciate that, but don't worry, it's all good.
I simply trade bull flags, bear flags, momentum, not no F's and T's or FVT, whatever he said, or what was one FVGs? Like I don't know none of it. I don't know none of it.
You got the BPR, which is just the same thing as an FVG.
I know VWAP. I do know VWAP in 21 EMA.
Yeah. Well, I've been meaning to tell you to add the 8 or the 9 MA to your chart, because whenever it's doing a continuation style trading, it doesn't break that until it's ready to like do like its pullback or do like a reversal. So usually if you're in one of your trades and you're in the green and it keeps bouncing off of that 8 or 9, like you can keep holding until it eventually breaks it. That's whenever you kind of want to like think.
And that's the 9 EMA?
Yeah, the 9 and the 8. It's either one.
I'll probably do the 9. Born, I'm glad you like it. I'm a simple man. I need simple in my life. Life's already complicated enough, right? Why make what we enjoy doing complicated? I enjoy trading. So I had to put a strategy together for myself that I could do every single day and not overthink it. That's how I came and built my strategy, because I wanted something that I could do every day for the rest of my life. Simple. Do I need to learn all these extra terminologies? No, I don't need to. Do I want to so I can have more educated conversations with some serious people? Yes. But do I need to learn it to make money in the markets? No. Because I right here, don't know most of the stuff other traders talk about. But I know bull flags, bear flags, and momentum, and simply prints. Have a good day, Brett. Catch you tonight.
Right now, it's getting above the 9.
Okay. Yeah, we're above the 21 as well there. Bro, no. What do you mean, bro, no? No what? Be careful. I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade, people. It's 11 o'clock. I'm so excited to hit the gym today.
Dude, I'm actually excited too. I might go. I might actually go.
Well, BP, if you go, you gotta post it in the fitness page, bro.
I don't even know what I would post.
A picture of weights.
Post
Like a picture of you standing in front of a machine, acting like you're working out. Like, whatever.
Yeah. I'll make sure to put on the max weight too.
I love seeing that in the gym when people are taking photos and like I'm working out next to them. I see what weight they're doing, and then they instantly stop to take a photo and they switch the weight. I laugh so hard at that.
The person just working out just like turns to you and is like, "Mind your own business." Oh, that's so funny.
I love how I work out in the gym too, because no one ever asked me how many sets do I have left. I love that because they see me putting up serious weight where they don't come over to me. So I'm not going to ask that man because I have no reason to ask him how many more sets he got.
Yeah, I totally get that too.
BP, Dylan, are you still in here as well, sir? I asked last night, you guys did not answer me. What part of Texas are you guys in? Because I'm trying to plan something for next month when I'm coming back from Mexico to jump into Texas so we could go grab brisket or a steak.
That sounds chill. I am kind of like in the central area.
Yeah, don't tell me exactly where you're at, but if you want to tell me exactly, just put in the DM on the legacy.
Oh, okay. Turn Texas into a good old dartboard and be, near the center.
All right, so we're still pushing up here, and that's okay. I'm not mad at that. He's BP, Dylan's in Corpus.
Oh, really?
Is that
That's
far from you, close to you?
It's a few hours.
Okay. Well, even if I gotta do the marathon, just ping pong between you two, I can do that too.
True. We could probably go to somewhere in like San Antonio, but it's like 2 hours, I think, for him. It would be like an hour and a half for me.
Well, I'm flying in wherever we're going, so for me, I honestly don't care. So y'all coordinate with each other where you guys feel would be the best central location.
I'll message him later,
and I'll fly in to wherever, and we'll go get some brisket and steak. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, boys. He said meet on SA, so San Antonio. Okay. I guess that's going to be the move, boys. Like I said, what trader on the internet do you know that makes profits with y'all every single day and then travels the world on a trader's tour, meeting with subscribers and Legacy Wealth Society members? People, we live this. We ain't talking about we doing this. Like this month, I'm gonna be in Canada, meeting with my Canadian brother Brett. Meet me at the library. But I'm just saying, people, I'm jacked on the sauce this year, boys. Excited. We hit over 1,000 subscribers last night. Appreciate everyone that helped make that happen, because it could not have been done without y'all. And that's real. The channel's only going to keep on growing and growing. Why? Because y'all are consistent and I'm consistent. Hopefully everyone's staying safe in the markets. For everyone on the actual streams, do me a favor. Do your boy a favor and make sure you're hitting the like button. I already know you're subscribed, so just make sure you're hitting the like button. It lets... Hey, what's this? It helps YouTube know that you guys truly enjoy coming to these streams. That's crazy. 1,028 subs. Awesome. We keep on growing. This stream alone, we added 10 more subs. Straight craziness.
Oh, yeah. Hey, there's your 50 in 24 hours.
Last night's stream, we ended, I think, on like 41.
Yeah.
Do you need advertising? Only you. No, you, because. Born, I appreciate you. You feel like this, everything looks amazing. Just trying to help everyone win in life. I'm a man of the people. All right, we're coming, tapping that pivot point. for me personally, I'm gonna have to see a really, really great move for me to take a trade, even on this Lucid account, right? Because for me personally, if there's no setup, there's no trade. Even evals, you gotta treat them with respect. You push them, but you push them with respect. I want to see like a nice little bull flag. That would be ideal for me to want to go long. And I want the flag above the pivot. I do not want it below the pivot. Pivots are like toxic relationships. They're good sometimes and then they're bad sometimes. So I don't like pivots. Like I want to get away from the pivot. If we're going long, build a bull flag above the pivot. If we're going short, build a bear flag below the pivot. Born, I currently have 7. Well, actually, it's more than that now, but let me add it up because off the top of my head, I can't tell you the exact amount. We have 4. So in funded accounts, I currently have $350,000. That's 450Ks with traded 5 150K account. And I do not count evals that I have also. If I count evals, you could probably double that. Yeah, Big Gear, you told me to go in, but I want a flag above the pivot. We did not get a flag above the pivot. We had a small flag print below the pivot. Because for me personally, I'm just not going to go long below the pivot just to go long. You feel me?
We are still above like that 9 though.
Look at that big old momentum. Main new highs there. I have a target all the way up there at 931.75. 931.75. No, I will never bypass props. They're a trader's hack. It's the best way to make money without investing your hard-earned dollars. So I will never bypass props. Are we gonna get a flag now up here? I've just been patiently waiting for a flag. Flags pay the bills at the end of the day. Oh, better yet, they make it where you don't got bills. Welcome back, dude. I trade the NQ as well every single day of the week, bro. I like putting lightning in a bottle. That's the Nasdaq for you. Now that we're above this pivot, right? Now I want to see us build out a bear flag up here above the pivot point. So that way I could take a potential long. Just got that paper money, bro. Hold on to it, bro. I wouldn't be trading today. Tell me, Chief, how many streams and what duration of streams did it take you to hit your 4K watch hours? I haven't hit that yet. I'm gonna hit the 4K within like the next week. But I'm not even thinking about the watch time hours, to be real, because when it happens, it happens. How many streams have you done? I stream every single day, Monday through Friday, for the New York trading session. Normally we're on here for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Then I also do the traders hangout every single night as well for about 2 hours. So I'm doing probably, you could say, 5 hours a day streaming with you guys. And the only reason why I'm doing that is I'm trying to help people win in the markets. I'm not thinking about watch time or anything like that. Like, I'm honestly here showing up every day to help people win in the markets. Because I understand the struggle of trying to learn a new skill and not having people giving good advice. But I've been doing the double stream since mid-November now. Well, yeah, pretty much mid-November, right after my birthday. That's when I started streaming the vertical format and the regular horizontal. Okay. Keep it up, bro. You'll definitely get it. And since you're in South Africa, bro, I may have to come visit you one of these days. Jump into the Legacy Wealth Society, bro. It's completely free. Free to join the community of like-minded traders and individuals winning in the markets each and every day and learning together and growing together. So I'm thinking about going long here. I closed that. I did not get filled. I closed that. I did not get filled. And whenever that happens, when I don't get filled like that, it normally pulls back on me. So I just closed that out. But that was a perfect little bull flag on the 1 minute there. Nice, bro. Nice. Keep it up, man. Over time, yes, it does help with the watch time hours. Like each stream, like the morning streams, I average about 30 to 45 watch time hours. Then the evening streams, I'm doing about 45 to 60 hours of watch time. So I'm averaging well over 100 hours a day between everything.
You'd have to have a streak for like 40 days then.
Huh?
You'd have to have a streak for like 40 days in order to hit the 4,000 watch hours.
Pretty much. But I'll be at the 4,000 watch hours in like the next 2 weeks. Good morning, Queen. Welcome back. You would come and ask that. Queen, I did jump in the pool last night. If you want to watch it, just go to last night's Traders Hangout. It's literally happens within like the last like 2 or 3 minutes of the stream before I ended it. So you can go on there, check out the forum for the cannonball. Let us know how we did. But welcome, good morning. Yeah, everybody wanted me to jump in the pool last night. Just straight craziness. Oh, thank you. Everyone wanted Duane, get in the pool. And they've been begging. You guys have been begging and asking for me to jump in the pool ever since I started streaming outside for the Traders Hangout. And y'all finally got it. You're welcome. Is Carmona still in here? I actually got a bone to pick with him. Okay, he's not in here anymore. No, when he gets on the stream tonight, I'm gonna have to check him. He's been a friend of mine for a very, very long time. I took a screenshot of what he said in the chat last night. Straight savagery. Where's it at? Okay, so he said last night, when he jumps in, watch him put out the fire. Straight craziness. Straight craziness. It be your own people.
Oh my god, I didn't even see him say that.
Yeah, I watched the playback because I wanted to see how I looked for the cannonball. After we got on the stream, so I watched the playback just for the last couple minutes, and the chat still pulled up so you can see it. And he said, watch him put out the fire when he jumps in. I'm like, this boy, this man, the audacity. But so I'm gonna mess with him tonight. For all the new people in here, I'm doing a giveaway on tonight's Traders Hangout. I'm giving away a 30 by 60 standing desk to one of you lucky people. The way to enter the giveaway, you gotta join the Legacy Wealth Society. It does not matter. You can join the free side to be entered in. So jump in for free to get entered in to win a Mac Daddy black and gray standing desk that we could go all the way up here. You can bring it down like I have it right now so I can sit down. And yeah, and that's it, people. We're going to have some fun tonight. We're going to laugh, joke. I'm not jumping in the pool 2 nights in a row. So whoever just said that in their head, it's not happening. It's not happening. Because y'all getting 2 things out of me. I said one, when we hit 1,000, I'm going to do a giveaway for a brand new desk. And I jumped in the pool. So you're getting 2 bonuses since we crossed 1,000. And we're going to keep it pushing. We're going to keep it pushing, people. And let me actually, I'm going to pull up what the desk looks like, so you guys can see for yourself the Mac Daddy standing desk that I have that you can have as well. How many contracts can you trade with 250 account on Tradeify? Tradeify has a 250K account. I thought it was only 150K. Tomahawk party tonight? No, I got family coming over. My parents, because I was up north for Christmas this year. So they're coming over to give the kids their gifts, everything like that. And we're doing like a barbecue tonight. And I'm a smart man. I'm not doing barbecuing myself. I want to relax after the stream today. So I'm ordering barbecue from a spot locally, just catering the food. So I don't even have to cook. You know what I'm saying? Let me pull this up real quick so I can show the people. Show the people what they want to see for tonight. Let me jump on Amazon. And actually, I'm gonna be doing 2 giveaways for the desk. One tonight, because I bought 2 desks, so I have one ready to give away. But I'm also just gonna buy another one and get it shipped to the person, so that way it's cheaper on shipping. Ah! Life hack: use Amazon to ship. Just saying. Let's see, orders. All right. Desk. Okay, there's that. Where's my OBS? Bear with me. I cannot see the chat, people. If you're trying to chat me up, I cannot see the chat. I'm gonna have to add this on 2 different screens, so bear with me. Looking for it. Why is that not showing? Oh, there we go. All right, so for the people on the regular horizontal stream, here you go. That's the Mac Daddy desk right there for you. You can take a look at that real quick while I show our other brothers and sisters on the vertical stream the same desk.
That's pretty nice.
Oh, bro. Listen, it's a Mac Daddy desk, bro, for a reason.
I like how big it is.
Oh, like, I had it, like, I wanted a larger desk than the average standing desk. I wanted something deep. So I have multiple screens, everything like that. So I did not want a small little desk And it's silent too. When you're making it go up, it's silent. But yeah, it's super deep, super wide as well. And yeah, that's what y'all will be getting right there. To the lucky winner. Excited for whoever gets it. You won't be disappointed. The desk is a beast. I will say that. Let me get back to my chat so I can see the chat here.
No.
What happened?
I got in on this long and then I basically tagged myself out for like $20 and it like just hit my first QP. And I was trying to hold it for the new high, but
I'm sorry to hear that, sir.
On my part. Bad execution for me.
On the 2 minute, that's looking slightly bearish. So be careful. On the 2 minutes, looking slightly bearish, believe it or not.
Yeah, it is looking a little bearish. I kind of want to see what happens whenever we interact with the 8MA again this time.
Close out, made a quick $80 right there just to say I did it. Just to say I did it. Quick $80 there.
There's a small chance it might want to drop like 40 points.
If it drops 40 points, BP, we're going to be eating. Are you hungry?
Trying to think of what I would want to see as confirmation. I guess we have this gap that's about to flip, but
For me, I would only want to really go short once we get below the pivot. At that 850 area.
850.
Yeah. Or if we could build out another small little bear flag just to give an extra confirmation on the flag play.
I wonder if like your indicator pivot thing works like by marking out like the 15-minute candle. That's what it looks like to me.
This is just honestly Caesar, what's up, bro? It could be, I'm not sure, but
Because right now, where your pivot is, it would be 50% of the 15-minute candle that recently impulsed.
okay. Well, these are set from earlier in the day, so that's the only thing I'm not sure.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so these pivots are like always set before market even opens.
This is a B setup for a long, but we were supposed to be looking for shorts.
Well, we'll see what we get because on the 2 minute, the overall picture, even on the 5, it is a bull flag. Like on the 5 minute, that is a bull flag. On the 2 minute, we have a large bull flag, but in those certain opportunities, we're allowed to short it because we know for the flag, it has to come down before we keep pushing up. Nice, Queen, trading the Nasdaq as well. But wait and see if what type of flag we get. Clicking too quick here. You're seeing a bull flag. I see a bull flag on the 5 minute, a larger bull flag on the 2 minute. But we always get sometimes flags inside of flags, believe it or not. So for the bull flag, we have to get some momentum to the upside here. Because I'm waiting to see on this next candle if it's going to be red to take us lower to the pivot. On the 1 minute, let me switch over here. Honestly, if you're on the 1 minute, right here, we got a small bear flag right there. On the 1 minute. I like the higher time frames just to see the bigger picture, but the 1 minute will get you in and out of trades very quick on flags. 2 toes. What happened to the rest of them, bro? What's up, Breezy? Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets, my brother. Listen, I'm content for the day. I put over $1,000 in the funded accounts today. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. We're gonna keep it moving. This week was a very choppy week. I'm using wrinkle bars for the first time today because of your video. Well, you won't be disappointed. Make sure you're pairing them. Make sure you're pairing them with the standard candlesticks. Just like you see on the charts, like I have. Do something similar. Because the wrinkles will tell you the momentum. So when you're calling out flags, looking for a flag. If you're calling out a bull flag, you're going to look for momentum to the upside on the wrinkle bars. And vice versa for the bear flags. It's a game changer. It's a hack. And you won't be disappointed. I'm a simple man. What are your Renko settings? Well, if it's on Trade or Trading View, I have the Renko set for 1 second. On Ninja Trader, I have it set for 8.4. 8.4 on Ninja Trader.
I might regret this, but I'm gonna leave a buy order on this liquidity, and then I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be back.
Be careful. I may be gone by the time you get back, so be careful. We'll see. Cannot wait to figure out this strategy. Keep tuning in. You can learn that way. Or you can join the Legacy Wealth Society. We do have a free option. But to get my entire full strategy, you have to at least become a builder in the community. Building the foundation to the profits. It's not trend line and wrinkle bars. Yes, you see that, but that's not the strategy whatsoever. But tune in. I go live Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. And I trade with you guys and my community. And I also stream every single night, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, for the Traders Hangout. Get it, bro. Get it. These are panels. These are our panels. Appreciate it.
Oh shit, I got tagged.
Uh-oh. Good or bad? You in the green or you in the red?
I'm in the green right now, but
oh, we'll take it then. Hey, he got tagged, but he making money.
Nope. Red now. Yeah, I had a feeling that it wanted to come deliver lower.
Well, on the 1 minute I did say that's a bearish flag.
Let's see. Well, we could take the $100 loss or
One Stop Trader. What's up, bro? Hope you're doing well, sir. Wow, hope you're doing well. Also,
oh shoot, it's impulsing now. All right. Oh shit, I should have closed it. I'm done. Why do I want it to just rip?
listen, that's every trader's dream, sir. We always want it to rip, boys. We always want it to rip. But sometimes the market makers are listening and they don't allow it to rip.
All right, I am going to basically get out of this.
I probably got another 5 to 10 minutes here, and then your boy's going to be tuning off because I'll be back tonight. Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going to vibe up. No, I'm not jumping in the pool again like last night. If you weren't here last night, you got to watch it.
All right, I closed it.
Hey, at least you made something.
Yeah, it was like $50. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! No! Oh man, I literally said I was gonna buy that liquidity too. Well, that's what I get for the holding conviction.
How do I get the wicks on wrinkle bars? The ones I found on TradingView didn't have them.
yeah, that's
on
so
Trading
true.
View, Queen, let me pull up. I got my Trading View pulled up, so I chart over here where you guys can't see. That's where I'm calling out targets, everything like that. What did I just click? Uh-oh. Escape.
Nice.
So on mine,
Worked out.
I just have the regular Rincos. I do pay for my trading view. It's not in the indicators. So where you change your bars, your candles. So right to the left of your indicators tab, click the bars right there, and switch it to Rincos. And the time frame is 1 second on Trading View. 1 second on Trading View. The time frame is just 1 second, so it's going to be weighted, and it's just 1 second on the Renko bars. If you're trying to use it for the momentum. Queen, we fast track people here, no gatekeeping. We're trying to make sure people are winning in the markets. Futures, you gotta pair the Rincos with the standard candlesticks to actually use them properly. If you're just trying to trade Renko bars, you're going to be taking a whole lot of trades and you'll miss a lot and mess up a lot. That's awesome, Queen. Well, you're already part of the community, so just stay locked in. You'll get motivated of seeing like-minded individuals winning the markets. And when you feel like you want to just really see my full entire strategy, upgrade whenever you want, and you'll be able to get the full shebang of it. But there's no pressure for that, because I tell y'all for free on live anyways. But it just puts everything together. So we're down at this pivot point. We're down at this pivot. This is...
Did just tag it. Nice.
We did tag it. Make that money, bro. Make that money. You don't need to put them on a setting. Just put them on for 1 second, bro. That's all you need to do. If we get below this pivot, I would look for a bear flag to print, another bear flag. Because we just had a small one put on the 2 minute there. Woody posted his trade in the community. Let me go check it out, Wood. Let's see how my brother did today. Go ahead, boy. Go ahead. I see you. I see you. Good job, Wood. Keep it up, man. Love the consistency. You know when to trade and when not to. Proud of you. We got 4 more minutes and your boy's gonna be jumping off. 4 more minutes and I'll be getting off here. So I could go chill with Brenda for a little bit. Then go to the gym before picking up the kids from school. You as well, you as well. Can't squat currently, bro, sadly. Dealing with a knee issue. But I did legs 2 days ago. I did legs on Wednesday. So not leg press, like leg extensions, leg curls, calf raises, and like only body squats. No added weight. We're still above this pivot. We're still above this pivot. Are we going to start pushing? Because on the 5 minute, people, on that 5 minute, that's looking like a really glorious bull flag on the 5. Warren, appreciate you coming back, man. I'm just real. Like, there's too much money in making the markets, and me showing you guys how to make money in the markets does not affect my own pockets. So when people try gatekeeping, learning the educational trading, it's stupid. Because if you're making money from trading, you won't gatekeep it. If you're only making money from education in the markets, then that's why you gatekeep. I make money in the markets every single day. Some days bigger than others, but we make money every single day in the markets. My largest day this year so far was, what was it? $6,000 last Friday.
Yeah, that was a crazy day.
Got to subscribe to this. Bro, you should already been subscribed. You're late to the party, bro. Appreciate you subbing, bro. Appreciate it.
I want to short ES like right now, but I don't know.
Trust your strategy, bro. Trust it. I was just messing with you. Two toes. I don't know where the rest went, but you got 2 toes at least, so that's progress somewhat. Yeah, I'm gonna be jumping off here, boys and ladies. It's time for me to go relax, enjoy the rest of the day before we stream tonight. Oh, got it. Dylan, have a good day, bro. Excited to see you guys next month in San Antonio. We're going to vibe up. We're going to stream it too, boys. We're going to be streaming it.
Nice.
But, all right, fellas, we got this bear flag. Oh, we got this bear flag. What's your P&L for today? No losses today. On my Lucid account, only up $80 in there. Let me go to my Tradeify real quick. Let me go to my journal. So on my Tradeify, I only traded 2 funded Tradeify accounts today. I have my 5 funded accounts with them. Loading my journal now. So on the day, just with Tradeify, I did 1275, 2 winning trades, 0 losses, only took 2 trades on my Tradeify. That's 1 trade per account. That's what I try to go for every single day. So We'll gladly
W,
take
man.
that. Queen's up 292. Go ahead. Make sure you post it in the discussion in the community. Post it in the discussion in the community. We love to celebrate people's wins, and we uplift when people have losses. That's the whole thing about working as a community. No matter if you win or lose, you have a support system. Making sure you're accountable and doing the correct things in the market. With that being said, people, I will see you guys tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Legacy, nothing but love to y'all. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe in the markets. Oh, hold on. iPad 7 on the Zoom call. Can we come to Mexico? Just see in the chat, bro. If you paying for yourself, you can do whatever you want. I'll be there next month. Living the life at my favorite all-inclusive resort. And all right, people, I'll see you later tonight. Be blessed. Stay safe in the markets.
All right, guys.
All right, G. BP.
Guys,
talk to you
guys
later.
take care. You guys have a good day.
You as well. Tube, I will see you guys tonight. Be blessed.